It's day 2 of our trek to Patalsu summit. We're going for an acclimatization walk. Yesterday was fun. We started from Solang Nala and reached this location, which is Shagaduk. Spent the night after having an acclimatization walk in the evening. Had bonfire, and today we are off for acclimatization walk. Seems to be a great day, great setting. Team is doing great. So happy for them. And for me.
Day 1 was really tiring for the first 15 minutes. After that, all I had to do is stop talking, and after that was completely easy. Because talking takes your energy away. You keep talking and walking. That's it.
Oh, that's a very intelligent answer. We'll keep this in mind. Show the recording to everyone.
Aranya, how's day 1 for you?
Day 1 was, for me, was very tiring, but we took many breaks and went with the guide. And we shared our food also.
And oh yes, everybody was becoming really slow afterwards.
Yeah.
Like when we were halfway there, few members were still quarter. We had to wait like 15 minutes until they come.
That's true. But then if you were tired after coming back, I saw you playing with snow.
Yes,
That too for quite a long time.
The snow fight.
Yeah, we played.
So we have Rishika now. Rishika is going to tell how was day 1 for Patalsu summit trek. What do you?
It was great. It was very tiring, of course. I was carrying 10 kgs on my back. So that was the only difficult part. But it was, nevertheless, the energy was so high. I think all of us just wanted to make it to the base camp as soon as we could. So we kept going. But it was a nice learning, I would say, overall.
What are plans for tomorrow's summit?
Smaller steps. Don't give up. Keep going till the time we reach the peak.
Great. All the best. Have a good time.
Thank you so much.
अपन पातालसू भी जाएंगे तो ये जो पास
Yes, ma'am. So, how has been the trek?
Very nice, but very tired.
So, how is it different from your normal activities which you've been doing?
It's little difficult and but exciting.
Very
So
nice.
different, like snow. I snow like this much first time. So good.
Thank you, ma'am. Enjoy trek.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, I'm Uma from Chennai. We have come on this Patalsu trek with Romil. He's really good guy, very motivating. Yesterday was really hard for me because we didn't have proper sleep in the bus and totally fatigued. But today it's awesome.
Yeah,
I really like the trip.
That's why you're leading today, right?
Yes, of course. And Romil sir never let us down. He will push us. So
Yeah, sure.
that's really nice of him.
I'm recording and I'll show it to you once we are climbing again. Closer to the summit.
No way.
Very nice, man, very nice.
Thank you.
All the best.
Thank you, thank you.
And we are on an acclimatization walk. Today we are climbing up. We'll go till 12 o'clock and then we're going to turn back wherever we reach. And now we'll ask ma'am how she's doing today.
Very wrong person you chose.
No, you're doing great, ma'am. You wanted to stop much before, but then suddenly you've got the energy. Tell me how you're feeling.
You want me to tell the truth?
Yeah, truth, ma'am. Truth and only truth.
Feeling very difficult, but I want to push myself to see how much I can do.
Exactly. That's why we are here. Otherwise, Chennai was good enough.
Yeah, definitely. Chennai is I feel Chennai is a temple now, you know, like it's a heaven. But it's a nice different experience, once in a lifetime experience. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. Enjoy your trek.
Enjoying, of course. At the same time, I'm crying, okay?
No, you're smiling. I don't know what to say, but then these dogs, wherever I've been, you know, any trek, we've always found them accompanying us. Yeah, last night they created a lot of mess, making, you know, barking all through the night, but then that's how. And there's my team coming after acclimatization climb close to Patalsu summit. You see a lot of arrow marks guiding you which way to go, and it really helps if somebody is coming solo or without proper guides, right? Or you have these dogs guiding us.
Today was really tiring. It was a big trek. We were hoping to go to the summit, but it's a little long. If you're taking a break, immediately wear another sweater, because then you would get cold.
Very nice. Good.
Day 2 was amazing. It was better than the day 1. It was a little short hike, but it was fun. We saw a lot of snow. We saw the summit from here, and we thought that we would climb it, but then we were like, no, it's like a little bit long, so we couldn't do it. So we'll do it definitely tomorrow.
Wow, that's the spirit. So all set for day 3, all 3 of you?
Yes. Officially we're going. Talking takes your energy away. You keep talking and walking.
Very intelligent answer. We'll keep this in mind.
Do not talk.
So as happens always, a day prior to the summit, weather is packed up. Luckily we turned back in time because the weather is showing its true colors. So it's rainfall as expected at our base camp, Patalsu. But then everybody seems pretty excited. Let's hope tomorrow we make it well, because the weather is packing up pretty fast. So finally snowfall at Patalsu base camp. The weather is totally packed up, man. I don't know how we're going to stay tomorrow. अरे बुला अपने टेंट वालों को, बोलो डांस वांस करो, यंग लोग हैं. So this is how we trek, right? मुझे अल्टीमेट एक्सपीरियंस.
अब इसमें अगर हमने समिट भी कर डाला तो फिर नेक्स्ट लेवल हो जाएगा.
फिर तो एवरेस्ट ही होगा अगला. अगला एवरेस्ट ही होगा.
एवरेस्ट पे कहाँ पहुँच गया, हम पहुँच जाएंगे.
So everybody excited of the snowfall and rainfall, discussing tomorrow's strategy, and others are, you know, busy enjoying dancing. So this is snowfall time. You can see snow at a camp. Looks like Everest base camp, but then it is Shagadog, which is base camp for Patalsu. We are off to dinner. Come on guys, let's go. Dinner time. Good amount of snow outside. Different experience altogether. Right, so good night. Have a good sleep. We are supposed to be going to summit tomorrow, and we are quite hopeful that the mountain will allow us to go and climb. We'll give it our best shot as always. But then I'm surprised why it happens that on the day of summit, guys, don't leave your shoes outside, otherwise morning you'll not be in a position to wear them. And somebody was vomiting as well during dinner time. Both of you.
That's why I never ever have junk food attention.
Now we'll record it and give it to your parents, so that they show you whenever you ask for any cup noodles or any chips.
Yeah, they also say that don't eat noodles and chips.
But you don't listen. Very good.